Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this how you can apply transitions to your text on CapCut PC. So here I'm just going to actually just try to find a background real quick, maybe like this one. Add in your text and just type in anything you want. Basically, I'm just going to type in aura, because why not? I don't know why, it just came to my mind. And you can also add in some colors and like make it glow or whatever. And I'm just going to copy and paste it. And I'm going to change the text to maybe like color. Right click, create compound clip. Right click, create compound clip again on the other text. And here's where you can basically add any video transitions that you want to your text, like so. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.